guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sorting my fidgets, and well, I already did, but I'm gonna show you like in colors. So we're gonna do that right now. So you can look in the title instead of me saying it, but I already said it, so there's no point of that. So first color, oh, and it's like rainbow, but it's like, you'll see. So first we're gonna do green. So first I had this in a mesh, but it's like a mesh ball now. But I cut off the mesh. So now it's like a color changing needle. It's green, but then it turns orange inside. And you can also see what color it is right there. So there's that. Next I have this spiky ball. If you have an itch on your hand, you can just like, and it itches. So I rather you have this because it's kind of distracting, but it feels nice. It sounds satisfying. And yeah. Next I have this monkey noodle. I love monkey noodles because they stretch far, and I just love it because you can like this, do this, and I like the feeling of it and how it goes far and it doesn't break. So yeah. You know what I'm missing? My blue monkey noodle. But who cares? Because at least I have two. Next I have this pea popper. It has a cute little face. It's like it's wanting something, or it's sad. I don't know, you can't tell. Next I have this fidget spinner. Yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna do black. So let me get that. Okay, got all of it. So first I have this DIY that I made, stress ball. It's a balloon, but it turns purple. In the camera it looks blue, but it's purple. And I put flour in it. So all you need to make this is, I didn't mean to make it this small because it does barely do anything. So first you need a balloon, any kind of balloon, just a balloon. And then you get a funnel or something and then put flour in it. Then tie it, and then there you go. Your own DIY stress ball. And then next I have this fidget, what is it called? Fidget pad? Yeah, fidget pad. So first on it is these buttons. The top ones that go up and down, it's a loud one, but the one across like that make no sound, just a little. I think you have to get it used to it. Then next is this like joystick thingy. Then this like feeling thing that you can roll.
Third or fourth.
And then next this thing.
About that bar in like a day. Why all of a sudden?
It just rolls.
All that time it's been listed.
And then next on this side is this rolly thing. Then next is this light switch.
Not that big.
And then next on the top, did anyone notice this? I saw it on YouTube or TikTok. And on this side, it's like a little feeling side. Then here, and then next there's that. Then next I have this dimple I got from the mall. It pops very loud on both sides. Then ready? That was the loud side. This is the quiet side. It's kind of loud though. So next I'm gonna do yellow. And for yellow, I don't know if you would actually count this pop it, but yeah, I counted it because it's black and yellow, but it has mostly black, but I wanted to count it. So yeah. So this is the quiet side. And then this is the loud side. Wow. And then that was a circle puppet, and I have another circle puppet. So here's the quiet side, I guess. And then here's the loud side. Yeah. Then next I have a bike chain. I just love this so much. It's like you try to get it off, but you can't get it off. And then next I have this mochi, tiger mochi, I think. I don't know what it is. I just love like squeezing it. Oh, but my hands are tired. Okay, so that's the yellow pile. Now I'm gonna do the pink pile since that's closer to me. So, first I have this monkey noodle, pink monkey noodle. Then next I have this fidget spinner, pink fidget spinner. Then I have like this thing I got from Five Below. It's a pool toy, but I just counted it. So yeah, there's that. It's really squishy. And next I have this pink mochi that's a unicorn. Mochis were out for a long time. I've had them since I was a baby, but it wasn't like a trend. But now it is, and now I'm like, give me a mochi! So I just noticed yesterday I had this with my dolls. So yeah, there's that. Then next I have this triple dimple. Then next I have this infinity cube. I just love infinity cubes because they just make my hand distracted, and it's easy to fit in your one hand, and it's really good to play with, and it makes a lot of sounds. But it's just like easy to move because there's like different ways. So yeah. So that's the pink pile. Yeah. So next I should do red next. Ugh. So, here we go. So I got this from a birthday. It was a TikTok birthday. And this is like a bracelet fidget spinner. And then I have this broken slinky that doesn't really work. Well, it does work, but it's just broken. See? I broke it. Then yesterday I found this. Well, my friend did. Red squishy football. So that's the red. Just 3 things. Then next I have silver. So I have these 2 DIY wacky tracks. And if you want to know how to do it, I'll put it in the link of my, no, I'll just tell you. So you get like I got this from the Dollar Tree, like one of those like clips, and I just take the inside out of it. And then I just connect them all, and I actually made 12 on this one and 12 on this one. So I made a lot. And that's that. Then next I have this acupressure ring. I think that's what it's called. I think so, yeah. And then you can like stretch it. It's like, what is it? It's like metal. Oopsies. Kind of stretched it out. No. Oh no. Don't be worried, Natalie. Look how big that is compared to my thumb now. I'm kind of mad. That was my favorite thing. So that's the silver thing. Next I'm doing black and white. So I have this dice. I know it's not a fidget, but it's to play the fidget game. So that's why I have that in the white and black, because as you can see, it's white and black. Then next I have this white unicorn mochi. Okay. Now I have this stress ball, soccer ball. It's really good. Wait, what? I don't know how I just made that face, but And next I have orange. Ugh. So I have this fidget spinner soccer ball. And I like it, but I don't really like it either. Both at the same time, but I don't like it at all. There we go. Then I have these, I'm trying to make it into something. These two snakes I made into something. They're like picture frames. They're snakes, but I'm not taking them apart. You cannot bend them, by the way. You cannot bend them. Just a warning. Then I have this poppet. That's actually yellow and red. And if you're wondering where I got this, I got it from the flea market. I don't know where that is, but you'll have to find it. So, yeah. Next I have, I don't know why this is in the pile. It's like mostly blue, but who cares? I have two wacky tracks. I have this wacky track, and I made this a snapper. Stay perfect. Okay. And then next I have this dough bowl I made. It's DIY, but it's kind of like a stress ball now. Why? But I put a lot of flour in there though. So, there. Take a balloon and put a lot of flour in there. Then tie it. So that's it for the orange. Next I'm going to do purple. So let me get that. So first I have a squishy. I know it's blue and just a little purple and pink. But I kind of called it purple because it looks purple to me. But it's not. Is it raining? Yes. And then I have this Orbeez stress ball I got from Five Below by Famous Footwear, right? Okay. Then I have this fidget spinner. Then I have, hold on, this poppet that I got from the flea market. And as you can see, it broke already. So, and here's the loud side, but I can't show you right now. Watch. And I pretend there's a poppet there because it's still in my room. So that's it for the purple. Get that over there. Okay. Next, we can do blue. Let's do blue. Oh, we're losing stuff. Okay. First I have this. A bigger one, but blue. Then I have this. I have to do this fast. Then I have this. Spiky ball. Then I have this marble lash. I traded my other one. And then this zipper bracelet. And then I have this triple dimple that I got from the mall. If you guys were wondering where I got it, so. So that's it for the blue. Then next, I don't know what this color is, but I don't know. Okay, so first I have a squishy that I made. It's a bear. It smells ridiculous. No, it smells really good. Then I have this marble mesh tie-dye. And then I have this. Light up, dude. Disco party, disco party. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Disco party, disco party. So there's that. Then I have this puppet. Here's the quiet side. And here's the loud side. Then I have this poop puppet. And right now it is on the quiet side, I think. Yeah. And then here is the loud side. Ready? It's not really loud. There. And that's it for these colors. And next I have rainbow. Wait, and here's a marble to play that game. Ugh, I'm coming. Then I have another one of these things. And I have this puzzle ball thing. Then I have this. I love it. Then I have this heart jumbo puppet. Got from the mall. Then this. Then this. And that's it for today's video. Bye! And then next video, which will be tonight, will be, and I'll tell you it. It will be fidgets you should take to school and not. Bye! Actually, that video will be tomorrow. And it doesn't matter. Just come back to my channel. Bye! Peace.